welcome and thank you so much for tuning in, stopping by to check my channel out. My name is Lizzie, and of course you know the name of my channel is Lizzie Luxury. This is your one-stop channel for everything beauty, fashion, glamour and lifestyle. I can say that again: beauty, fashion, glamour and lifestyle. These are the most important subjects that are really close to my heart, so that's why I decided to create my YouTube channel around these four main subjects. Please make yourself comfortable. You already know the deal. Get you a glass of wine or a glass of champagne, because today I have another interesting product that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Please, to help my channel grow, do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with all your friends. Without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into the review. So I got this gorgeous, beautiful, exquisite gift from my husband. It was a birthday gift, which I really appreciate. So as you can see on the front, it says La Vie est Belle by LANCOME. Basically, that is a French expression for life is beautiful. Yes, so La Vie est Belle is life is beautiful in English. So according to LANCOME, this perfume is all about finding your happiness or seeking your happiness and aim to inspire other people. Hey, I'm like, really? That sounds really good though. So of course I love LANCOME. They make great products, but when I found out the face behind this perfume is Julia Roberts, I was so excited. I love Julia, and for her to put her name behind any product, I know she really believes in the product. So please, I would really like for you guys to check out this perfume. It is a very nice perfume. I get so many compliments each time I wear this perfume. This is a daily perfume. You can wear it to work, to meetings, night out, date nights out. I mean, whatever it is, you will not be disappointed. And this perfume is long lasting. It really lingers. It is a long lasting perfume. Julia Roberts, in case you are watching, please, I am still here waiting for Pretty Woman Part 2. So guys, I'm gonna tell you everything I know about this perfume in terms of the notes. So this perfume has two fragrance notes. It has the Irish spring flowers. It also has the intoxicating earthiness patchouli. Yes, so those are the two main fragrance notes in this perfume, and these are all layered alongside perfume notes as perfume notes as delicious spun sugar. Yes, delicious spun sugar. Who knew there was such a thing? But anyway, so delicious spun sugar, and it also has sensual warm vanilla, as well as hints of exotic Arabian jasmine. Yes, you have jasmine. Jasmine is a very nice fragrance. Anybody who knows jasmine, the fragrance jasmine, even the plant itself, it has a very nice smell. This perfume also have sparkling orange blossom in it. So those are the main major notes in this perfume. It's a floral perfume, but it is not overpowering. Yes, I know it has the warm vanilla, but still it's just a nice, really nice, lovely perfume. You guys will not be disappointed. Like I said, each time I wear this perfume, I get so many compliments. Even at work, somebody also recommended, she said if I like this perfume, I would also like Shalimar by Galan. I still haven't tried that yet, but I'm gonna look into that perfume, Shalimar by Galan. If anybody knows or is using that perfume, please leave me a comment in the section below. So it comes in about 6 different sizes. This is the 100 ml, which is 3.4 ounce. Is the biggest size among all the other 6 different sizes. I think it has like a, I'm not sure exactly though, but I'll put everything in the description box for you guys. So I'm just gonna take off this wrap to show you how the bottle looks. It is really beautiful. And I know Julia would not put her name behind any, or she wouldn't endorse any product if she did not believe in that product. And I can really see why, because I wish it was something you guys could smell. The only way you could try or experience the beauty of this perfume is to just stop by the Macy's, the LANCOME counter at Macy's. Of course, you know Macy's is your fragrance destination, and just try it out for yourself. You see how sleek, clean this bottle is? It looks so beautiful. It has this shape here on the bottom that represents that iconic smile that Julia Roberts is known for. It's so pretty. Then it has this gray color bow, kind of like a bow tie. I just love it. Really, really nice. So just take the cap off. You just pull it off. There's really nothing on the inside. It just looks plain. Just sit it here and just squirt a little bit on me. Smells really, really good, guys. I swear you guys would love this perfume. So according to the website, of course, if you didn't know, if you want to spray a perfume, you want to spray it at the pulse points. So basically on your neck, your elbow, and then your wrist. So that's the recommendation on how to spray a perfume for a long-lasting effect. This perfume retails, I can't remember though, honestly. I think $100 and something. I'll leave everything in the description box below, guys, for you if you want to check it out. You can get this perfume, like I said, from Macy's. Of course, like I said, Macy's is the fragrance destination. Everybody knows that. Sephora also carries this perfume. Of course, the LANCOME website, Nordstrom, all the major stores, they carry this perfume. So just stop by any of those stores, whichever one is convenient for you, and just try it out, you know. Get you a sample, and like I said, you won't be disappointed, because I will not be raving about this perfume if I didn't really feel this perfume. I love this perfume. Again, I mean, I can just gush about this perfume all day. And like I said, compliments, lots of compliments. Older people, younger people, you name it, they all compliment this perfume. It is a beautiful perfume. Julia, like I said, is the face behind this perfume. Of course, she wouldn't be endorsing this perfume if she didn't think it was worth it, you know. So let me hear what you guys think. If I were to rate this perfume, of course, honestly, I would give this perfume a 5. I'll give it 5 stars. Yes, it's a good size. As you can see, it's a good size. This is all, this is, you can see the color. It's kind of like a rose gold color. So this is the perfume. This is actually, although the bottle is really, really big, but this is all, the perfume is all in this bottle on the inside here. So there's nothing down below here. So anyway, enough about this perfume. I can talk about this perfume all day long. So it wasn't surprising my husband got me this perfume for my birthday, because like I said, it was my birthday. He already knows what I like, so I was like, okay, thank you, baby. Again, please let me know what you think about this review. Please leave a comment. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and share this video with all your friends to help my channel grow. I have way more videos that I'm gonna be uploading on my channel for you guys. Please stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Thank you.